Hello, and thank you so much for joining me today for another episode of unboxing. So, before we start, please take a moment, pause this video, go and subscribe to the channel. This will help me a lot. Also, don't forget to like and comment this video. Alright, that being said, let's jump into it. This is Maxi Limit, and as always, stay tuned and enjoy. As you can see, today we'll be doing the unboxing of the brand new iPad Pro. This was released a few days ago. I decided, as always, to go and grab it and show you what to expect if you decided to go buy one of these. So for today's unboxing, we will be looking at the new iPad Pro 11-inch Wi-Fi version. Of course, Apple released another version of this iPad, which is the 12-inch version. But I feel like it was pretty too big for me, so I decided to go with the 11-inch. This model comes with the 64GB storage, which is enough for my daily task. Then if you're someone that needs more space, please keep in mind that Apple released 3 other versions with the 256 gig, 512 gig, and 1 terabyte. I don't know why you're going to be needed that for, but yeah, so you know it's available for you if you want to go with the 1 terabyte. Yes, of course, if you go with the 1 terabyte version, then it comes with 6 gigabyte of RAM instead of 4 with the other sizes. So you know you have to decide either. But always keep in mind that the price are not the same. More information about the price down below. Alright, let's put the iPad on the side for the moment and see what else we have in the box. You will find the famous Design by Apple in California booklet. And as always, you'll find a quick start guide. This can actually come handy if you have never used an iPad before, or if you have never used the newest iOS. I'm sure no one will actually read this. How about you guys? Tell me in the comment line below how many of you actually have gone through this quick start guide from Apple. You will also find stickers. I don't know why they cannot put it in black. I believe because the iPad is already black, but who knows, right? Also in the box, we will find a new charger because Apple has switched to Type-C connector for the first time in the iPad lineup, which is amazing. Now I'm not too sure if this is a fast charger or not. I have to put that into the test and get back to you guys in another video. So don't forget to check out my upcoming videos. Now this whole Type-C connector thing is good if you own a Mac, but I personally does not have a Mac, so guess what? I'm gonna need a dongle. It is now time for the new iPad Pro to shine. It's always a glory to remove a wrap from a new toy. If you have never done it, try for yourself. And here it is, the all brand new iPad Pro. Apple has done a great job redesigning this iPad. As always, at the bottom of the iPad, you will find the 2 speakers and the brand new Type-C connector. On one of the sides, you will find the volume up and volume down button. On top of the iPad, you will find the power button, 2 more speakers, and 2 microphone holes. On the other side, you just find 1 microphone hose. At the back of the iPad, I believe, is the keyboard connector. On top of the iPad, you will find the camera, the flash, and the microphone holes. This camera looks a little bit bigger for me, but I could be wrong. It is now time to put the A12X Bionic chip to the test. This iPad is really fast and responds quickly to all my gesture. Apple was not kidding when they said that their A12X Bionic chip is faster. This is it, it's really fast. And as before, you can use up to 2 applications together. And of course, you know me, right? I was trying to put the third application to see if it's gonna work, but of course it doesn't work. And of course, you already know this is the 11-inch iPad Pro with the 247.6 millimeters by 178.5 millimeters and only 5.9 millimeters thick. This is insane. It is really small. Now, if you are getting the 11-inch iPad Pro, the weight on that is 468 grams or 1.3 pounds. But if you decided to go with a 12.9-inch iPad Pro, the weight there is 633 grams or 1.4 pounds. So there's kind of a difference there. But let's try to see if we have new wallpaper here, because Apple is good in removing wallpaper. Oh, that's good. Apparently, they added so many more. Let's go through them and see how they looks like. Wow, kind of like them. The color is very good, very clear, very vivid. They also kept the old wallpaper that we used to have, so that is good. They didn't remove it in this time, but they actually added more, which is good.